Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you the ways to use your DBS credit card to withdraw cash from your existing DBS bank account. In order to do it so, you could follow these steps. To withdraw cash from your DBS bank account using the DBS credit card, you can link your DBS bank account to your DBS credit card. For that, you want to go ahead and open up your browser and type in dbs.com.login. You could also use your online banking app. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. After which, you want to log into your account, and from the home page under cards, click on manage debit or ATM. Next thing, you want to select the card you want to change the account linkage for. Under link account, click link more account to add a new account link. After which, you want to select the new primary account or any secondary account to be linked to your card. Once you've done it so, you want to click the save button in order to save the changes. Once linked, you could use a DBS credit card from and NETS functions. You could also save wallet space by having one card. Now, withdrawing cash from your credit card at an ATM is considerably a short-term loan. Can be expensive. Now, there may be fees associated with cash advance, such as cash advance fees and finance charges as well. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.